It's Fix a Leak Week. Follow Splashy as she investigates leaks throughout the week and provides tips for how to fix them.
Splashy detected another leak inside the home. The kitchen faucet is leaking. Splashy tried tightening the aerator on the faucet, but it's still leaking, so Splashy is going to use plumbing tape to create a stronger seal without over-tightening the aerator. Do you have a leaky kitchen faucet that plumbing tape and tightening didn't fix?
It might be time for a new aerator.
Visit our website at libertyenergyandwater.com. Stay tuned as Splashy wraps up her leak investigation tomorrow.